Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome back to the channel.
Today we're diving into the world of wireless audio with the TOZO Crystal Pods. The folks from TOZO sent this product to me to review, and I will share to you my first-hand experience of this device, from its distinctive design, audio and microphone quality, and battery performance. These wireless earbuds worth your hard-earned money? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this device.
But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Alright, let's get started.
First impressions matter, and TOZO doesn't disappoint here. The Crystal Pods come in a compact, minimalist box. Inside, you'll find the earbuds nestled in their charging case, a USB-C charging cable, and a set of extra ear tips in different sizes to ensure a perfect fit. Now let's dive into the design. The Crystal Pods boast a glossy, translucent finish that provides a modern, unique aesthetic. The accompanying charging case is just as stylish, featuring a matte exterior and a gratifying magnetic closure. Its compact size ensures that it easily fits into your pocket, making it ideal for on-the-go use. The earbuds themselves are sleek and compact, with red and blue light indicators to signal connection status. Comfort is key when it comes to earbuds, and the Crystal Pods deliver. They're lightweight and ergonomically designed to fit snugly in your ears. I've been wearing them for a couple of hours now, and I can confidently say they're comfortable for extended use. The included ear tips also help create a secure seal, which not only enhances comfort but also improves sound isolation. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, the sound quality. The TOZO Crystal Pods are equipped with 10mm drivers with TOZO Orange X 2.0 acoustic technology, delivering a surprisingly rich and balanced audio experience. The bass is quite impressive for this price range, especially listening genres like hip-hop and alternative musics. The sound is crystal clear for regular calls, meetings, and online video calls, thanks to dual microphone AI call noise reduction. It filters out background noise for clearer conversation. TOZO has also incorporated hybrid active noise cancellation technology, reducing background noise by up to 38 decibels. I tested this feature in a busy mall and found it decently eliminated the background noise. This technology is a great addition for anyone looking to isolate themselves in crowded locations. Battery life is another strong point. The earbuds themselves offer up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, which is impressive, and the charging case provides an additional 25 hours. That's a total of 35 hours of listening time, which is more than enough for most users. Plus, the case supports fast charging. Just 10 minutes in the case gives you about 2.5 hours of playtime, keeping the music going with minimal charging worries. As for connectivity, the Crystal Pods use Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring a stable and seamless connection. Pairing is quick and easy, and once connected, the earbuds automatically reconnect to your device when you take them out of the case. The Crystal Pods feature intuitive touch controls, allowing you to play or pause music and answer calls with just a single tap. Next music for double tap, and press hold to activate the active noise cancellation. The controls are responsive and easy to use, though it might take a little practice to get used to the gestures. Another standout feature is the IPX5 dust water resistant, which means these earbuds can handle sweat and light rain. Whether you're hitting the gym or caught in a sudden downpour, the Crystal Pods have you covered. Now let's quickly summarize the pros and cons. On the plus side, the TOZO Crystal Pods boast a stylish, translucent design, excellent sound quality with balanced audio, a comfortable and secure fit, long battery life with fast charging, and an IPX4 waterproof rating, all at an affordable price. On the downside, the glossy finish attracts fingerprints. The touch controls can be overly sensitive, and while the noise reduction is decent, it doesn't quite match higher-end models with active noise cancellation. Now here is my final verdict. Overall, the TOZO Crystal Pods are an impressive pair of wireless earbuds that punch above their weight. They offer a great combination of style, comfort, and performance, all at a price that won't break the bank. Whether you're a casual listener or someone who needs reliable earbuds for daily use, the Crystal Pods are definitely worth considering.
Alright, that's it for today's review. If you're interested in the TOZO Crystal Pods, I will leave a link in the description below. And if you like this kind of review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.